Today, I will review the first part of the banking workflow in Yincome. In this video, I will show how to import bank transactions using a CSV template, and how to manually add a transaction when there are only a few records to enter. We begin from the Yincome dashboard. To manage bank transactions, select Banking from the top menu. This is the banking module. From here, the user can import, view, edit, match, and reconcile bank transactions. For this part, click Bank Transaction Import. The Bank Transaction Import screen opens. Before uploading any transactions, download the CSV template from Help and Resources by clicking Download Sample CSV Template. This gives the user the correct format and helps reduce upload errors. Fill in the CSV template with the bank transactions that need to be imported. Make sure each row follows the required columns, including the value date, transaction number, description, reference number, withdrawal, and deposit. Once the file is ready, return to the import screen. Select the bank account, choose the correct date format, then upload the completed CSV file in the upload box. After the file is uploaded, scroll down to review the data preview. The system shows the total number of records and whether the rows are valid or invalid. If there are any errors, correct the CSV file and upload it again. When all records are valid, click Import Records. The number on the button should match the number of transaction rows in the file. When the transaction list appears, the import is complete. The transactions are now saved and ready for review, matching, or reconciliation. That completes the bank transaction import method. Next, if you only have one or two small transactions, you can enter them manually instead. Go to Banking, open Bank Transactions, and click New Transaction on the right side of the screen. On the new bank transaction screen, enter the required transaction details, such as the bank account, date, reference number, description, payee, amount, GST, and supporting document if available. After entering the details, review the information carefully. Then click Save Transaction to record it in the system. When the success message appears, the transaction has been saved. This completes part 1 of the banking workflow. Users can import many transactions at once, or manually add a small number of transactions when needed. Now, we move to the next part of the banking workflow, which is viewing and editing bank transactions. In this part, I will show you how to view a saved bank transaction and how to update the transaction details if any information needs to be changed. First, go to the Banking menu and select Bank Transactions. Here, you can see the full list of bank transactions that have been saved in the system. To view a transaction, find the transaction you want to check and click on its reference number. The system will open the bank transaction detail page, where you can review the transaction information, such as the transaction date, bank account, reference number, description, amount, and other related details. If the transaction information is correct, you can simply close the detail page and return to the transaction list. If you need to make changes, click Edit Transaction. The Edit screen will open, and you can update the necessary information to make sure it matches the actual bank transaction. After updating the details, review the information again carefully. Once everything is correct, click Save Transaction to save the edited transaction. When the transaction is saved successfully, the updated information will be recorded in the system. This completes the view and edit process for bank transactions.